How to do product research for Shopify Dropshipping. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to do product research for Shopify Dropshipping. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the essential steps to identify winning products, evaluate their potential, and set yourself up for dropshipping success. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategy, this guide has you covered. Now, before we head over to our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, basically, understanding the importance of product research is really important. Product research is the foundation of a successful dropshipping business. The right product can make or break your store. It's not just about finding something trendy. It's about identifying products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Now, the key factors to consider when doing this is something like market demand. You want to use tools like Google Trend to analyze product interest over time. So, for example, you want to search for some products on Google, you can just go ahead and type it inside Google Trends. So, if you want to search something like toy, it will then go ahead and show you the trends for the toy keyword. And so you can just go ahead and focus your search when trying to consider drop shipping. Now, you also want to consider your profit margins. You want to ensure there's enough margins between the cost of goods and your selling price. Now, for the third one, you want to consider competition. You want to check out your competitor store, reviews, and marketing strategies. And lastly, you want to head over to the shipping and supplier reliability. Products with fast shipping options and reliable suppliers reduce customer complaints. Now, one of the best ways in order to go ahead and get the super reliable shipping and supplier, you want to head over to Alibaba because most of the products that people use for their own drop shipping come from this website. So you want to navigate through your focus when finding for shipping and supplier reliability. Now, for our third category, for the product research tool, you want to use the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. It's great for analyzing top performing products. Once again, it's like the Google Trends. For the second tool, it's going to be Google Trend. It identifies strong trending product and seasonal demands. Now, for the third one, you want to use the Facebook ad library. You want to see what products are actively being promoted at the moment. Now, lastly, you want to check for the niche scraper and sell the trend. Paid tools for deeper product analytics. So you can go ahead and use tools like SEO to know more about each type of keyword you are trying to refer. And for some strategies, you want to spy on your competitors. You want to analyze top dropshipping stores to see what they're selling. Now, you also want to navigate through the social media exploration. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest often reveal trending products. Now, for the previous year, as you may have known that some of the toys like the fidget spinner have blown up on TikTok, so you can just go ahead and use such platforms in order to leverage your product. And lastly, you have your customer review mining. Look at product reviews on AliExpress or Amazon to understand what customers love or hate, and you can just go ahead and implement on those in order to improve your product. And from there, you want to validate your product ideas. You want to test with ads. Run small Facebook or TikTok ad campaigns to test the product viability. From there, let's navigate through the next one, which is the landing page engagement. Create a simple landing page and measure interest via sign-in or clicks. Lastly, you have your feedback and from communities. You want to use Reddit or dropshipping forums to gather opinions. And so, let's talk about the niches versus general store. Now, for niche store, you want to focus on specific category, allowing targeted marketing. So if you want to go ahead and sell something like clothing, you can just go ahead and focus your niche store to that specific niche. With that, customer will not go ahead and get confused on what you are trying to go ahead and promote for your specific store. Now for general stores, you want a broader selection. You want useful for testing multiple products quickly. So that can apply when selling some toys. You can go ahead and sell some multiple toys, some essential gadgets, or something like that. And now, the common mistakes to avoid are ignoring data. You want to always base decision on data, not just a gut feeling. Once again, you want to use external tools like Google Trend in order to identify data, your ads, and more. Now for our second mistake, it is choosing oversaturated products. Now with high competition, it often means lower profit margins. So you can just go ahead and look at your competitors, and you want to navigate through the niches that doesn't have a lot of competitors but once again has a good profit margin. And lastly, for our third common mistakes is neglecting supplier research. Unreliable supplier can damage your reputation. So let's say that you have a lot of customers but your products is not being shipped at the right time. With that, you will be able to get a bad reputation from your reviews, leading to the breaking of your experience from drop shipping. And for my last tip, let's go ahead and say that you already found your winning product. And so with that winning product, you want to go ahead and scale it with optimizing ads. Scale successful ad campaigns with increased budgets. You also want to improve your product page, high quality image, compelling descriptions, and social media proof boost conversions. And lastly, in order to scale your winning product, you want to do your expand marketing channels. You want to diversify with influencers, marketing, email campaign, and SEO. You can just go ahead and navigate through influencers in order to promote your dropshipping product. And so, as a conclusion, effective product research is the key to Shopify dropshipping success. By using the right tools, analyzing data, and continuously testing, you can find products that resonate with your target audience. Once again, you can just go ahead and use external tools like Google Trend in order to identify products or niches that is not oversaturated but has some traction. So as an example, if you head over to Google Trend and click on the trending now page, you will then go ahead and see all of the trending keywords that are being searched on Google. So let's just go ahead and say that currently a lot of research or keywords are heading over to Lakers versus Warriors. So you can go ahead and sell some products relating to these products or keywords right here. For the second one, you have your Celtics versus Mavericks, and so on and so forth. And so once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.